going on, everyone? My name is Dave Marinelli. I've been a drummer now for 25, almost 26 years, which is absolutely insane to me. I'm an independent artist, but me and a really good friend of mine who we've been writing music together on and off for 11, 12 years now. We finally decided to just put an album together, and it's going to be ready here pretty soon, which is really exciting. And I've been using these Collision sticks for a few months now. I got them at the end of October last year, and I started with the 5A series because that's always my go-to size, but I saw that they had these 5A reach, and these are easily the best drumsticks I've ever used. The durability, which is something I know everyone hears about all the time, and it's 100% true. It's incredible. This pair is almost 2 months old, and they have a lot of mileage left on them, which is crazy. Everyone at Collision that I've met or have read about or have any sort of contact with in the past few months have been absolutely wonderful. The company is second to none. It's hard to find people who are passionate and extraordinarily generous and knowledgeable when it comes to any of this. So it's amazing to have the opportunity to be a part of it. And I wanted to demonstrate these incredible sticks with one of two songs, and I couldn't decide for a while which one to play. The two songs are just very important to me throughout my drumming career for one reason or another. But ultimately chose Dream Theater's Strange Deja Vu because that song completely changed the trajectory of my drumming path. My instructor back in '99 had to be, I think that's when the album came out. He burned it to a CD and he said, "Go learn it." I said, okay. So without that, I'm not sure I would actually be here right now. So major thank you to him for pushing me to do this. So please enjoy.